Hey guys, it's Witty. So for today's video, welcoming the 2022, I'm gonna show you what I've done to my dorm back then when I was in college, how it can help me go through my college life on a daily basis. So yeah, let's just get started. So my number one tips, if you happen to just starting to find a new dorm to live in, is looking at the wardrobe. Yes, this is very important. The bigger, the better, as it can save you so much space for another stuff you have, just like this giant closet that I got here. It's a built-in wardrobe that have multi-storage to store your clothes and so much more. So yeah, this was my dorm when I first got here, and this is the bathroom. And I'm so relieved that I got this dorm because it's just a few steps away from my college. I know my dorm is quite small, but I made like this kind of tiny foyer on the entrance. So every time when I'm open the door, people who walks in the hallway can just see my bedroom directly. So here I designed like a multifunctional divider that I can use as a bookshelf, more storage, and even a shoe rack underneath on the bottom rack. Then I found this cute wall sign that I put at the top of my dorm entrance as an accent. And beside my dorm closet, thankfully there's a small space that fits my sister's old small fridge that I also bring to my dorm. Then I made this like a simple cover for my fridge, and also some floating shelves so that I can put like my coffee mugs, some sugar, and just some other stuff that I need. And here are my floating shelves that I use to put on some more mugs and random decoration. And I found these empty bottles of DECOR at the thrift shop in my town. Yes, I don't drink, but I think this bottle gives a more vintage accent to the dorm, so yeah, why not? So as you might already seen at the beginning of this video, the cable in my dorm corner are everywhere. So I bought this shoe rack and just put in all of my extension and charger in there so it won't look really messy. And thanks to the owner who already provide all the dorms with a floating desk, so I can just put all of my stuffs like accessories, laptop, and skincare, etc. And we come to my favorite part, the closet. I just love this wardrobe so much, as we can put almost all of the stuffs here, even some of my cardboards, so you can hide all of the messiness inside here. I got 3 doors right here. The first part of the closet I use to keep my bags and hat on the top, my books and my magazine in the middle, and the last 2 with the bottom part I also use to store some more books and some random stuffs. And make sure to keep your books by its color or alphabet just to make it more organized and simple. And please don't mind all the sticky notes and quotes around here, as I was so lazy that I need like a self-reminder to keep me on track. And over here, it's the double door wardrobe. I like that it has no divider, just a wide open space to store clothes and stuffs. So once again, arrange your clothes by its color. It will not just look more organized, but also it will help you so much when you're in a hurry, try to put on some clothes. And behind the door, I use it to hang all of my scarves right here. Now let's go to the bathroom for a sec. And once again, in front of my bathroom door, I stick some more self-reminder here. It may look a little bit messy, but this is what I need. Because I feel like I'm living far away from my dad and my mom, no one who yelled at me, so this was really helped me through my college life. And inside here, I install a soap dispenser just to make things easier for me. So just buy the refill every time it gets empty. And also here I got a towel bar installed, and I put some artificial plants in there. And last but not least, I hang a long LED lights in the center of my wall to clip some pictures, some more quotes I like, and yeah, that's it. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope this very first video of mine gives you some insight to organize your dorm for the new year, or maybe help you decide to pick the dorm that just suits your need. Let me know what you think and hope to see you in my next video. Bye!